Alright, so far it's 11-11 right now, and 11-12, whatever. And so far, nobody has tested yet. It's been... This is the latest that they've been since the Silver 259 over there had a working tuner. When in that time they tested about 11-15 on KIH86, and KJY68 was right afterwards. I hear 1050 hertz. Finally! Who is that? Oh, I think that's KIH42. Yep. Here we go. Oh, who is this? Are you okay?
The preceding signal was detected the weather radio station WXM69
He failed.
Ohio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
Modules actually went off.
Severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the one alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland, Jackson, Pike, Ross, Scioto, and Vinton. In Kentucky,
Oh, he got me.
And Mason. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXM69 Ohio. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions in the greater Portsmouth region of Texas. Overcast skies, the wind west at 5 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.03 inches and steady. And now the conditions for selected cities in Ohio, West Virginia, and Kentucky. Across the local area, in Chillicothe Fair.
Oh, here goes,
Jackson, Ohio Fair is 84.
Who's the other one still?
Courthouse Fair is 84. And in Hillsboro, sunny, 82.
You only one that went off? Oh, nope, he went off.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hawkins, Jensen, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Vinton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY68's Chillicothe, Ohio.
And there we are. Those are all of our tests here. Alright, let's have a quick little synopsis around here. 74-210 failed, that's not a shocker though. Tech America went off. WXM69 failed. The Accurite went off. KA110 went off. Both 254s went off, although the one on the left needs new batteries. BC125AT went off. Jensen went off. The XSY299 failed. The KA388 went off. 247 went off. The Zone Guard Plus went off. WX67 went off. 262 went off. 249 went off. 250 went off. GE failed. This guy failed. Not a shocker. HH went off. The CKW2000 went off. WR100 went off. 261 went off. 120 went off. I'm not sure why it didn't tone. It's on voice mode. I'm not sure why. Alright. FR600 went off. FR370 went off. 996 went off. The Recom failed. That would explain. And the ESP2100 failed. That would also explain. So, yeah, there's that.